One lady said, after 24 hours of talking to you, I will bill you. And she said, before I give you myself, you'd have spent up to like 20, 30, 50 million. You can have access to her, because that is not me. You can have access to her, and the whole internet is upside down. My question, what offense has she committed? Under the Constitution, is there no right to freedom of speech? She has a right to air her opinion, and she was not referring to anybody. She was referring to herself. If you give her, she go do am. Why are you upset? A lot of you are beginning to bring in this old moral police thing. Who made you a moral judge? Under the law, Section 2 of the Criminal Code expressly stated that a person can only be punished for an offense stated and stipulated and mentioned under the code that it is an offense. So where the law of the sovereignty has not clearly, expressly stated an act as an offense, such act shall not amount to an offense. So if you want to judge her on moral grounds, I have news for you. Morality does not hold place in law. Morality may have been the basis for law, but law is not the basis for morality. Morality is derived from the Latin word moralis, which means customs and manners. Under the Islamic law, which is applicable in the north, it is an offense and morally wrong to give out a loan with interest. And that's why you see Islamic banks give out loan with zero interest. But if you come to the south, they loan you money with interest, a huge interest. So many of us are in breach of morality. If we're to go under the platform of morality, learn to be adaptive. A lot of you have said worse things, allow people to air their opinion. And if you think the social media is being too corrupted enough that it can influence your teenagers, apply parental control to your gadgets, so that your teenagers don't see some of the nuisance online. And until the federal government regulates social media, there are going to be more worse things that are going to be said, because it is the freedom age. Whoever that portrays themselves to be a prostitute on social media has not committed any offense. In the South, under the criminal code, if you don't like her, go to court.